Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Pay particular attention to the radiator area in the rear of the vehicle for the accumulation of debris which can cause the engine to overheat, and clean any grass, leaves, and other flammable material or debris that is found. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Check the tire pressures and verify that they are set to specification. Reference your owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specs. Then, inspect and ensure the lug nuts are torqued to specification. After this, inspect the condition of the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage, and adjust as necessary. Then, ensure the vehicle is on a level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Begin by inspecting the brake fluid reservoir underneath the driver's side front fender for proper fluid level. Add fluid as needed. A flashlight can be used to illuminate the reservoir in dark areas. Then, check the condition and function of the seat belts. Inspect the full length of the seat belts for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Also, test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Always wear a seatbelt when riding. The vehicle will limit speed if the driver's seatbelt buckle is not latched. Next, turn the key on and ensure no warning lights are illuminated. Also, inspect the battery charge level, ensuring there is enough charge for your trip. Then, verify proper operation of the headlights, taillights, and brake lights. Continue by adjusting the steering wheel to the desired position and lock it. Do not adjust the steering wheel while the vehicle is moving. Then, check the steering system for full smooth operation, from full left to full right. Verify proper brake and accelerator pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized ProXD dealer or visit Polaris.com.